Anytime now. Oh, where they go. Outstanding. Followed by Flaming Gold, Poppies, Diamond. Entry number 2, Princess Angelica, also rushing up is Honor Rose, Flaming Gold, followed by Princess Angelica, and moving up is Poppies, Diamond, down on the inside, Outstanding, Honor Rose, and entry number 4, Daman Surya, Wilkowski, Rose and Marie's profit sharing, and Boys Will Be Boys. Rounding the far turn, Flaming Gold by about 2 lines, followed by Poppies, Diamond in second. Honor Rose, Princess Angelica, Outstanding as they race the final corner. Flaming Gold this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Poppies, Diamond in second. Princess Angelica making ground on the inside. Flaming Gold, Princess Angelica propelling down on the inside, moves up to grab the lead. And finally, number 2, Princess Angelica, Poppies, Diamond, Flaming Gold, Outstanding, Honor Rose. And for your Super 6, number 4, Daman Surya.